Okay. So let's start with the first question. So if I get a question like this, what do? I have 4 people, or rather 8 people sitting in a circular table. Now first, I should understand about my strength in this kind of a question. It is a seating arrangement question. Now normally in my life, my experience, again, this is specific to Srinivas. Remember guys, do not go by what I'm saying directly. It is an example I'm taking from my life. I am okay with table arrangement, especially if it is circular, I like. If it is linear, then I commit mistakes somehow. I have noticed this in my experience. So if it is circular, I will try to attempt it. If it is linear, I will mark it and come back because I know that linear I am not that great. So उस हद तक आपको आपके बारे में पता होना चाहिए. You should know. It's not just saying that linear arrangements I'm good. यार seating arrangement या linear seating arrangements में circular में कर सकते हो क्या? Linear में कर सकते हो क्या? If it is arrangement but there are 2 rows, are you able to do it? That extent of knowledge about yourself you should have. Okay, so I know I'm decentrated. Let me start with this. So first circular table hai. Let me draw a circle. Okay, one of the best circles I got till date. I'm very happy about it. Usually my circles are all pathetic. So fine, 8 people. Okay, all of them facing center. Each of them have a different hobby. So look at what I do. When I have singing, SI, singing, acting is A, dancing is D, cycling is C, swimming is SW. Tracking is T, painting is P, reading is R. No repetitions, only S is repeating. So I wrote that anyway. Okay. So, and people are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All right. A, who likes reading. So reading is sitting third to the left of E. Now the beauty of a circle is I can start with E anywhere. So third to the left. So this is first, second, third to the left. So this is A. And what does he do? A likes reading. A likes reading. So reading khatam, nikal gaya. Okay, and A is gone. Next, what do I have? The one, and E is also gone. E is sitting. So I know E is also gone. The one who likes painting is sitting to the immediate right of A. So this is immediate right. Now remember, A is sitting like this. So right is this side. So here, the person, whoever is sitting here, this person likes painting. Okay, this is painting. So painting khatam, nikal gaya. The one who likes painting is sitting to the immediate right of A. Okay, but we don't know the name of the person. Great. D, who likes acting. So D likes acting, is sitting to the right of B. Now is sitting second to the right of B. Okay, so B somewhere is there. So it is D, who likes acting, is sitting second to the right of B. So B is like this: first right, second right is D. This is how it is. Okay. Who is not an immediate neighbor of E? So this who is talking about B. So B is not a neighbor of E. So this is not B. This is not B. Okay. This also cannot be B. So where else can B come? So can B be here? If this is B, right? Then second right will be, this will be D, but obviously this is occupied. So your B is not here also. Now where else can B be? The only other position B can come is here. Because if B comes here, then this has to become D. Okay, this has to become D. There's no other possibility. Okay, there's one more possibility is if B comes here, this can become D. But remember, D likes acting. But here, if I write D, D becomes painting. So this option is gone. So B and D. And D is acting. So acting is also gone. So my B is seated, my D is seated. Okay. D, who likes acting, is sitting second to the right of B, who is not immediate neighbor of E. The persons whose hobbies are swimming and painting are immediate neighbors of C. Now remember, painting is here. So this painting guy is immediate neighbor of C. So C has to be here. So C is also seated. And the other guy, so swimming and painting. So painting, if it is here, then E should be swimming. So swimming is also taken care of. So reading, acting, painting, swimming are taken care of. Okay. Next, where are we? Who likes dancing? So C likes dancing. So dancing is also gone. Okay. Then G, who likes singing. So G likes singing. Is sitting second to the left of H, and H likes tracking. So G, obviously G likes singing. So this is not G. And so basically these two positions, this and this, these are your G and H. So who is sitting left of H? So H should be here. So G will be here. G is singing and H is tracking. So G and H are also seated, and singing and tracking are gone. So the only person left to be seated is F. So this is F. So F is painting. And who else is left? Which other hobby is left? C hobby is left. C is cycling. Only person without hobby is B. So this is cycling. This is cycling. Okay. So your entire diagram is in front of you. So let me take out what we don't want. So these things we don't want. So I'll just erase it. Okay. So now we can go ahead and start solving the question. So now in this kind of a question, you know that there are 4 questions that come. It is valid to spend probably up to 5 minutes also in this. 5-6 minutes also you can spend in this. Because you know that if you crack it. But guys, if you don't know what is happening by 3 minutes, you should leave this. If you notice, I never faltered in this. I never made a mistake. I didn't have a doubt. I kept doing it. Things were falling in place. So I continued beyond 3 minutes. Had I had a doubt, what am I doing? Am I making a mistake? I am not understanding certain things. Then I would have left it in 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Okay, so don't blindly keep doing it. See what is happening. Are you able to fill things properly or not? That is very important. So what are the questions now? Who is sitting exactly between G and H? So G and H is B. Okay, who is sitting there? B. That is option A. Which of the positions of B with respect to the position of the person whose hobby is swimming? So swimming is here, B is here. So B is second to the right of swimming. How many persons are sitting between A and the person whose hobby is cycling? Cycling is here, A is here. When counted clockwise starting from A, so 1, 2 people are there. Clockwise, 2 people are there. Option B. Finally, which of the following pairs contains the immediate neighbors of the person whose hobby is acting? Where is acting? Acting is D. So neighbors are A and H. AH is option C. So you spend 5 minutes, worst case 6 minutes, you'll still get 4 questions worth doing it. Okay, let's move on. Next question. Here we have 7 people, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, who are fans of Shah Rukh Khan. How many are fans of Shah Rukh Khan? Ceiling fans, desktops of Shah Rukh Khan? I am not. Anyway, so there are some movies of his. So what are the movies? DDLJ, Dil Se, Pardes, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is basically a distribution kind of a problem. So let me write down what is there. My TV channels. What are my 3 TV channels? My 3 TV channels are, first one is, which one is that? Setmax. Second one is Star Gold. Third one is Z Cinema. The movies are DDLJ, Dil Se, Pardes, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Ravan, Dar, Chennai Express. Okay, so these are my movies. Now the people are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right, let's see what is happening. Now, each movie is coming only in one channel. C watched Pardes on Z Cinema. So Z Cinema and Pardes, who is this? C, which means Pardes is not coming in any other channel. That's the meaning. Pardes is not coming in any other channel. DDLJ was not telecasted on Star Gold. DDLJ is not on Star Gold. A watched Chennai Express, which was telecasted neither on Setmax nor Star Gold. So Chennai Express is not Setmax nor Star Gold. So Chennai Express has to be here. So somebody will be seeing, but whoever it is, he's seeing in Z channel. Okay. Both this is A watch. So they already gave A is watching. A watched Chennai Express. Right. Both B and F watch movies on the same channel, but not on Setmax. So now remember, the question says that at least 2 persons watch movie on each of the channels, which means the distribution should be 3 plus 2 plus 2. Exactly like this. Somebody will get 3, somebody will get 2, another person will get 2, which means another channel will get 2. So there should be a channel with 3 movies, one more channel with 2 movies, and another channel with 2 movies. Now remember, B and F are not on same. B and F are on same channel, but not Setmax. So Setmax is not B and F. Can B and F be here? Already C and A are there. If I add B and F, then Z has 4 people. This is not possible because if there are 4 people, then somewhere one channel will get only 1 person, which is not allowed. So it means B and F cannot be in Z. B and F cannot be in Setmax. So B and F have to be in your Star Gold, right? Then G watched Dar on the same channel on which C also watched his movie. So G is the same channel as C, and that is Dar. So this is G. So G is taken care of. Dar is taken care of by G. Now you know that Z is completed. Z is completed because 3 people are already there in Z. You don't have space for anybody else. Okay, what are the people here? Look at who are the people here in Z channel. Your Z channel are, or Z, yeah, it is C, G and A, ACG. These are 3 people here. So the and B and F is in the middle channel. So the remaining people A, B, C, D and E, D and E have to be in your set max. Okay. What else? What else can we say? Then D watched Dil Se. D watched Dil Se. Dil Se is here. Now D, so this is D, so Dil Se is gone. So automatically this should be E. So these 2 are gone. So here B and F are like this. B did not watch Ravan. B did not watch Ravan. So this is B, this is your F. Your entire table is ready. Once again, a simple question. You can finish off in probably around 3 minutes. And how many questions you get? 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nicely, you got 4 questions from this. Who watched DDLJ? DDLJ was watched by E. Option A. Which channel did 3% watch their movie? Z. Which of the following is a correct combination of person and channel? E is Star Gold. Wrong. E is Z Cinema. Wrong. B is Set Max. No. D. D is Set Max. Correct. Movie on B on F, Khyati, because it is mentioned that Ravan is not watched by B. See, these are the only 2 spaces. If B cannot come here, then B has to come here. That's it. Right? Clear, Khyati? On which channel was Chennai Express telecasted? Chennai Express was telecasted. This is Chennai Express on Z. Option C. So if you notice 8 questions, you'll be able to finish in probably around 8 to 9 minutes. It's a very good deal for you. You should have done these 8 questions without fail. Okay. Next. Now I have a question based on maths. What is the question? The graph of f of x depicted below. So this is f of x. What is the value of differentiation of f of x at point A? Now remember, point A is the minimum point. So f dash of x is at the minimum point. So here the slope is like this. That's the meaning. And the slope will be horizontal. Horizontal means 0. Pure concept, no theory. You can solve the question in 5-10 seconds if you know the theory. Slope means tangent at the point. So at this point, the tangent is going to be horizontal. Horizontal means you know it is going to be 0 because the slope of a horizontal line is 0. Inverse trigonometrical functions, you know you do it, otherwise don't do it. It's again, I know that I'm not good at inverse trigonometric function. Why should I even try this? I'm wasting my time. I know I have to answer 20. This is one of the 5 questions I'm leaving in maths. Think of it like that. Do not worry about questions you're leaving. Look at the next question. A graph of, so if you like graphs, you'll do it. If you don't like graphs, you'll not do it. I like graphs. Let me see if I can do this. So this is your f of x. Okay. Then they are saying find f of minus x. F of minus x, this is reflection. It is reflection on y-axis. So I will get this point will be reflected here. So basically what are they asking? Find A if f of x is given below. What is A? A is the point where this new graph is going to cut your x-axis. Okay, this new graph, wherever it is cutting my x-axis, that is the point. So I don't have to worry about this line. I don't have to worry about this line. I have to only worry about this line because this is the line which is cutting my x-axis. So when I reflect it also, it will be this line only. So I don't have to draw everything. I will only draw this point and this point, these 2 points. So first, when I find f of minus x, this gives me a point here, which will be 3 comma minus 2. And this point will be over here, which will be 1 comma 4. So this will be a line like this. Okay. Then I want f of minus x plus 1. Plus 1 means I'm shifting it up. I'm shifting the graph up. Guys, if you want to understand shifting of graphs and all of that, please follow the transformation of graphs entire videos that I've made. So please look at it. I've explained in detail what happens in shifting. So which means this point will become 3 comma minus 1 when I'm shifting everything up. This point will become 1 comma 5. And then I want, so this is the line I get. I get a line like this. This point is 1 comma 5 and this point is 3 comma minus 1. Then I want minus of this everything. Minus of means reflecting with respect to your x-axis. Reflecting with respect to your x-axis, which means this point will go up, this point will come down. So it becomes 3 will become 3 comma minus 1, right? So it will become 3 comma plus 1. And here it will become 1 comma minus 5. So finally, my line that I want will be 3 comma 1. This is 1 point, and 1 comma minus 5. So minus 5 somewhere over here. So this is my line. So this line, where is it cutting my x-axis? So find the equation of the line and put x equal to 0, or rather y equal to 0. So my equation of the line will become y plus 5 is equal to y2 minus y1. So that is 1 plus 5 by x2 minus x1. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 into x minus x1. This becomes y plus 5 equal to 3x minus 3. Now when y is 0, my x becomes 8 by 3. So the answer is B. Now, should you do so much in the exam? Obviously, this will take you 2 minutes or so, even if you are good in the subject. Now, if you ask me, I don't think you should be doing this in the exam. Now, why did I do it? Because I liked it. In the exam, I'm personally talking about myself. I like graphs a lot. So I don't mind spending 30 extra seconds because I like this topic, but not more than that. Anything more than 2 minutes, I'm getting stuck. I will leave it. I will not say that, look, I like it, so I should do it. I like it, I should do it. I will try it, but I will also make sure that I don't take it on my ego. I know I like it, but once in a while, if I make a mistake, I will not waste my time. I'll get out. Thankfully, I didn't waste my time here, so I got my answer. Even then, it is not worth doing in your exam because if you're not good in the topic, you'll end up taking a lot of time and not getting an answer there. Let's look at the next question. Find the odd number from the given alternatives. This is not maths, this is logic. Again, you should know this about yourself. I am not really good in finding patterns. 5-10 सेकंड देखूंगा, 15 सेकंड देखूंगा, अगर मुझे कोई आंसर मिला या कुछ चमका तो करूंगा, वरना छोड़ दूंगा. 20-30 seconds maximum, इससे ज्यादा नहीं दूंगा. So let me see what is the odd one out. Is there a pattern that I can see? 8-3-2-4 9-4-3-6 7-6-4 6-6-9-5-4. Okay, so ये जनरली होता नहीं मेरे साथ, but आज हो गया है. 8-3s are 24, 9-4s are 36, 6-9s are 54. यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है. So C is my answer. 6-7s should be 7-6-4-2 42. So I got it. I'm not very lucky all the time. So अभी आ गया चमका देखते ही तो मैं आंसर कर रहा हूं, वरना छोड़ दो. Don't waste your time on questions that you know are not for you. Look at this. Another. Find out the set among the 4 sets which is like the given set. Well, let's look at what is the given set. 22 to 31. This increases 9. 31 to 42 increases 11. 42 to 55 increases 13. 9, 11, 13. Okay, so let me see 9, 11, 13 कहीं पे हो रहा है. 15 to 24 is 9. 24 to 35 is 11. 35 to 47 is 13. No, 12. So ये गलत है. 38 to 47 is 9. 47 to 58 is 11. 58 to 71 is 13. Let me confirm. 41 to 50 is 9. 50 to 60 is 10. Galat. So A and C are wrong. 52 to 61 is 9. 61 to 74 is 13. Galat. So definitely I will say option is B. Good. I'm lucky today. I got 2 series-based questions. Select the related set of questions. So E, J, O, T, K, P, U, Z. So E is coming to K. So how much is the difference? So E is coming to K. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So 6 I, J. There are 5 numbers in between, 5 alphabets. J is becoming P. J, K, L, M, N, O. So again 5 letters. O is becoming U. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Again 5 letters. T is becoming Z. U, V, W, X, Y. 5 letters. So basically 5 letters से push कर रहा हूँ सब कुछ. So C after 5 letters. So C, D, E, F, G, H. So I आना चाहिए. I should start with I. एक ही option है. I will not waste my time. Only one option is there. Let me not waste my time. Get out. Right? So that's the logic here. In the question number 15, select the related word, letters, numbers from the given. Okay. यहाँ पे फिर से pattern देखना है मुझे. H is becoming I. E, F, G, H, I. K is becoming K, L, M. So यहाँ पे 0. This is 1 increase. 1 increase means 0 in between, 1 letter in between. K के बाद L, then M. M is becoming P. O, L, M. N, O. So 2 letters in between. So I can see the pattern now. Q is becoming U. Q, R, S, T. 3 letters in between. So basically, first one should be immediate. O will become P. Next, E ke baad, I should leave 1 letter. F, I'll leave. So G should come. Okay, so these 2 are gone. Then I will not waste my time searching for T to W because if you notice, both of them are W's. So I will only have to search for C. Or C pe 3 gap hona chahiye. So C, D, E, F, then obviously G. So D is the correct answer. Again, series questions, chote hote hain. Understand that if you can do it in 5, 10 seconds, nothing like it. 10, if not 10, 30 seconds also, it's fine. If late is quoted as 2843, L-A-T-E is 2843. E is 5, A is 1. L कौन सा होता है? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. L is 12. Or L, M, N, O. P, Q, R, S, T, 15, 18, 20. So T is 20. कुछ पैटर्न पता चल रहा है यहाँ पे? Okay, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? कुछ भी नहीं चमक रहा है? छोड़ दो. This is what you're supposed to do. Your target is 70 questions. So let us see if you can do 70 or not. Look at this. What is the next question? Find the correct group of signs to solve the question 17 and close. So the best way to do these kind of questions, guys, is to quickly substitute and see what happens. 17 is equal to 13 minus 36 into 6 divided by 5. Is this correct or not? Now you can see that 13 जो भी है यहाँ पे simplify होके आएगा. 13 minus anything will not give you 17. Right? 13 minus any positive number. This is a positive number, right? 13 minus no positive number can give you 17. So A is not correct. Next, 17 minus 13 divided by 36 equal to 6 plus 5. So this is 11. So 17 minus 13 by 36. So 17 minus 13 by 36. This is a fraction. So ये भी नहीं हो सकता है. What about C? 17 plus 13 is equal to 36 divided by 6 into 5. So this is 30. This is 36 by 6 is 6 into 5, 30. Correct. So each one should take you 10 seconds. Worst case, 30 seconds में आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. Because if this is also wrong for you, then automatically D will be correct. You don't have to check for D. Okay. Anyway, so these questions you should not leave because यहाँ पे ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो भी है option लगाओ, you will get the answer. One more question like this. So 48 is equal to 6 divided by 18 plus 32 minus 6. So this is 48. 6 divided by 18 is 1 by 3. Plus 32 minus 6. कुछ भी करो ये integer नहीं होगा. 48 is supposed to be an integer left hand side. So this is a fraction. So first one is wrong. Next, 48 divided by 6 plus 18 equal to 32 minus 6. 6 8 is 48. 18 plus 8 is 26. And 32 minus 6 is 26. Workout हो गया. So luckily 10 second लगा, दूसरा 10 second लगा, आंसर खत्म. 20 second आंसर done. Next, PQRSU members. Now remember, पहली बात तो ये है कि this question is so long. Okay. Secondly, it is blood relations with so many relations options. There's a dentist है, mother है, so you have a profession. You have 8 members of the family, 3 married couples. और कितने क्वेश्चन आते हैं करने पे मुझे? एक क्वेश्चन आएगा इतना मराने के बाद. After doing all this effort, I'll get one question to answer. Why should I waste my time? See, if you notice, why did I do the first 4 questions and the next 4 questions in logic? Because there I know that if I crack it, I will be able to get 4 questions. यहाँ पे, if I spend 3 minutes, I might end up getting 1 question. तो इसको मैं mark करूंगा. Do it later. I will not do it right now. I will move on. Choose a correct alternate. So remember, guys, why did I leave it? It's not because it is difficult or anything. It's basically not worth the time. I didn't even see is it easy or difficult. बस मुझे ये इतना है कि इतना करने के बाद पहले ये पढ़ना है मुझे. 4 लाइन का क्वेश्चन है. If I have to read this and then understand it, draw the diagram, 2 मिनट 3 मिनट तो लगेंगे मुझे, and then I'll get one answer out of it. So there's no point. In question number 20, choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. So 23, 32, 42, 53. So 23 to 32, 9 increase. 32 to 42, 10 increase. 42 to 53, 11 increase. So इस हिसाब से 12 increase होना चाहिए. So it will be 65. Option C. 15 second. Done. Next. RC आ गया. Good. Again, guys, look at your mindset. If you are a person who wants to move from maths to English, English to maths, you can go ahead and do this. But if you are a person who thinks that, look, मैंने एक बार maths चालू कर दिया तो maths ही खत्म करना है, then please don't go and do English in between. Understand yourself. That's why I keep telling you again and again. You have to know what your brain or what is suitable for your brain. Some people like me, I get bored doing maths every time. So 10 minute maths किया, एक English आ गया, अच्छा है मेरे लिए. एक दो logic आ गया, अच्छा है मेरे लिए. Some people are not like that. You might feel that, sir, एक बार English कर दिया तो मुझे English ही करना है. उसके बाद maths चालू किया तो maths ही करना है मुझे. Good, that is fine. Know about it. Know yourself about it. But now when the question comes, if you don't want to do it, leave it and get out. Okay, now English, look at it. This question, you are looking at 5 options here. If I were supposed to answer it, I will leave this to the last. Why? Because I have to check 5 of these, and then some of these 5 will be the options. Shubham, the sections will be shuffled. It is not going to be 25, 25, 25 of each section. They're all going to be jumbled up. This is how the paper will be coming to you guys. It is not that all maths will be together, all English will be together for you. English, maths, logic, sub इधर-उधर का हुआ. ठीक है? So that's the whole idea. You can leave this, move on. Right? We'll come back to English. Let's finish the others. In question number 25, again, logic. So 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Okay, let me see. I'll search for 30 seconds, answer मिलेगा तो मिलेगा वरना नहीं. Okay, 2 3 4 5. Okay, 2 3 5 6 नहीं, 2 3 5 6 कौन सा सीरीज होता है? नहीं होता है. What about 2 4? No, this is also not a series. If I take this 2 3 5, second 5 I take. Just trying to see, is there, can I find a pattern here? 2 3 5 फिर 7 आएगा. Okay, ठीक है. I search for 30 seconds, answer नहीं मिला. This is what you're supposed to do. Answer नहीं मिला, leave it and get out. I spent 30 seconds, कुछ चमका नहीं. Don't sit with it. You're wasting your time. कुछ भी नहीं आया 30 सेकंड में, शायद 1 मिनट के बाद में कुछ आने वाला है. Leave it, get out. Next, geometry मिल गया. ठीक है, मैं कर सकता हूँ geometry. Let me see what is happening. I don't prefer geometry, but it's a simple looking question. But let me try. Is it really that simple or not? Semicircle of diameter AB. So diameter is AB, and this diameter is 2.5 centimeters. Okay, entire diameter is 2.5, and C is somewhere over here. So if I take it like this, so this is BC is 3x, AB is 5x, which means this will be 4x because 3, 4, 5 are the sides of a right angle triangle. But 5x is given to you as 2.5, so x is half. So your right angle triangle that you're going to get, this is 2.5, this is 3 by 2, which is 1.5, this is 4 by 2, which is 2. ये तीन साइड है आपके. So area क्या हो गया इसका? Half into, this is perpendicular, so this is your base, this is your height. So half into 2 into 1.5. Answer is 1.5. Nice. Geometry khatam in 30-40 seconds, 1 minute at most. Right? Simple. Let's move on. Question figures now. Again, I know myself that I am bad in this kind of questions. So 30 seconds देखूंगा, answer मिलेगा तो मिलेगा, वरना I will leave it and go ahead. So what is happening here? Horizontal है, vertical बन गया, एक extra line add हुआ. फिर horizontal बना, बीच में एक extra line हुआ. उसके बाद it should be vertical. So my answer should not be these two. Vertical बीच में एक line add हुआ. अभी दूसरा line add होना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. So which one will it be? I think it should be option A. I will not think anything more than this. जो भी आया डाल दिया, उसके बाद मैं ज्यादा माथा फोड़ूंगा नहीं अपना. लॉजिक लगाया, मिल गया एक आंसर, गेट आउट. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, बिकॉज द मोर यू थिंक, एंड रिमेंबर, इफ यू आर गुड इन दिस टॉपिक देन यू कैन स्पेंड सम मोर टाइम. मुझे पता है कि मैं इसमें अच्छा नहीं हूं, और जो चमका भी कर दिया, क्योंकि इफ आई एम वीक इन अ टॉपिक, द मोर आई थिंक अबाउट इट, द मोर आई विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग कंफ्यूज्ड, बिकॉज आई नो, बिकॉज द लॉजिक इज नॉट परफेक्ट फॉर मी. सो जितना ज्यादा सोचूंगा उतना कंफ्यूज हो जाऊंगा. So I will not think much at all. एक बार कर दिया, खत्म. In A, horizontal line is not there. क्या थी? Because I cannot have two horizontal lines. तो एक ही लाइन बनेगा ना. मैडम अगर मैं दूसरा लाइन भी ऐसे ही डालूं horizontal, तो एक ही लाइन बन जाएगा. So could be that that's the reason why they're giving me sorry, like this. अगर मैं दूसरा horizontal line इसके ऊपर डालूंगा, तो how will it be called a second line? So to differentiate, I think they're giving it to me like this. That is what I'm thinking. Khyati, that's okay. I'm saying that when I'm putting the second line, it is converting this horizontal into this kind of a line. See, every time I'm adding only one line only is being added. So I can't do this. I can't add two lines because here, ये horizontal तो है, but I'm adding two lines. Doesn't make sense. Why two lines? You getting it, Khyati? So that's why, see, the more you think in this kind of question, the more you start getting confused. That's why I'm saying, if you are good in this topic, you can spend a little bit more time. मुझे पता है कि मैं इसमें अच्छा नहीं हूँ, कितना क्यों उसमें टाइम वेस्ट करूँ मैं. एक लॉजिक आया, ठीक ठाक लगा मुझे, डालो, निकल लो. Same thing with English also. If you know the grammar, for example, which of the sentences is wrong. अब पहली बार जब पढ़ेंगे, एक सेंटेंस लगेगा, इसमें कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. You might not even know what exactly is wrong, but you know it is wrong. Something is wrong in that. लगाओ, निकल जाओ. Who should sit and think about it? The person who is very good in grammar. The person who is good in grammar will go to confirm. यार इसमें गलत लग रहा था, अभी मैं पहचानूंगा कि इसमें गलती क्या है. What exactly is the bloody mistake there? I will spend time in understanding that because I'm good at English, so I can do that. I'm not good at English. Why should I spend so much of time trying to pinpoint what is the mistake? ठीक है, गलती हो गई तो हो गई है. I don't mind, but I will at least not waste my time. That is the logic. That is the way in which you're supposed to answer the paper. Right? Let's look at the next question. Okay, there's a series given to me: 5, 24, 61, blank, and 213. Okay, 24, 5 and 24. This is 19 increase. 24 and 61. This is 7 and 3, 37 increase. 19, 37. Okay, 19 twos are 38 minus 1. So 37 twos are 74 minus 1 is 73. What if it is increasing by 73? 134. Here to nahi 134, so it's not worth it. What else? Okay, by now you should be leaving. 122. How is it 122, Khyati? What is the logic? I didn't get it, so I'll leave it by the way in the exam. I will try for 30-40 seconds. Nahi aaya to I will immediately leave. I will not even waste my time on this. But Khyati, you're saying 122. What is the logic? 5 power 3 minus 3, is it? 5 power 3 minus 3. It is not 24, no? What are you saying? 5 power 3 is 125. 125 minus 3 is 120. Acha, you're saying 5 square minus 1. Anyway, let's move on. Nahi aa raha hai, don't waste. 5 cube minus 3. But why 5 cube, Khyati? Why 5 cube? 5 cube plus 1 क्यों नहीं है? That 5 cube minus 2. Why not minus 2? 2 cube minus 3. Acha, you're saying 2 cube minus 3 is 5. 3 cube minus 3 is 24. Acha, this is the logic. 4 cube minus 3 is 61. Okay, that is the logic. 5 cube minus 3 should be 122. Correct. Okay. If you observe this, you got it. Good. And 6 cube minus 3 is 213. Correct. That is the logic. Okay. Then C is correct. Good. ये आपको आया, मुझे नहीं आया. It always happens. It strikes you sometimes. It doesn't strike you sometimes. That's the reason why series questions are tricky. कभी-कभी immediately आ जाता है. You can see there are 2-3 questions I immediately got. This it didn't strike me. It's a part of your exam. Leave it. Get out. A clock gains 5 minutes per every hour, which means gaining 5 minutes means it is running 5 minutes extra. So the minutes hand will finish 5 extra circles. 5 extra circles. What will be the angle traversed by the second hands in 1 minute? Okay, so second hand. Second hand will finish 5 extra circles because one circle of a second hand is 1 minute. So 5 minutes, 5 extra circles means it is taking 5 into 360 degrees in 60 minutes. So it is the speed of the second hand is 30 degrees per minute. The speed of the second hand is 30 degrees per minute. What is the, sorry, what did I do? 366 is 30 per, this is per minute, every hour. This is extra. So this is 30 degrees per minute extra. Okay. Because remember, what is this 5? This 5 is extra. So whatever we get angle also is going to be extra. So in 1 minute, normally the second hand should finish one circle. That is 360 degrees. Extra kitna mil raha hai aapko? 30 degrees. So totally it is 390 degrees. Option C. So you're basically finding out what is the extra travel done by the second hand per minute. So 5 circles extra marega second hand. That is in 1 hour. So that is 30 degrees extra it will travel per minute. So 1 minute mein usko 360 degrees travel karna hai. It will end up traveling 390 degrees now. That is the logic. Next. Once again, this is operation based questions. This is basically division. This is for multiplication. Multiplication for greater than. This is for less than. Minus stands for addition. Division stands for subtraction. Power stands for equal to. Okay. Well, so first the option A becomes 30 into, sorry, not 30, 20. 20 into 36 less than means divide by 24. Multiplication is greater than 42. Minus means plus 30. So 20 into 36 by 24. 6 4s are 6 6s are 4 5s are. 30 is greater than this. Wrong. A is wrong. What about B? 22 division means minus 14. Subtraction means plus 8. Greater than means into 24. Minus means, sorry, where was I? I think I made a mistake. I'm looking at B and C combined. Okay, let me look at option B. 22 division means minus 14. Subtraction means plus 8. Greater than means into 4. Power means equal to 40. So let me quickly see. 8 4s are, this is 32. Plus 22 minus 14 is 6 7 8. This is correct. Okay. So usually operation based questions are easy. Don't miss them. Okay, whether you're good in maths or not doesn't matter. People who are fast will be doing it in 30 seconds. People who are slow will do it in 1 minute. But 1 minute may a question in maths or logic is acceptable. You should attempt such kind of questions. In the series, in the question, a series is given with one missing term. Okay, one missing term. Choose a correct alternative from the given one. So you have E, F, I going to G, B, N. going to JXH. Sorry. So E, then F, then G. F के बाद B आ रहा है. Okay, what is the logic? ये तो reverse में जा रहा है. So B, C, D, E, then comes your F. So it is coming this side. Then element O, P, Q, R. O, P, Q, R, S. So 1, 3, and 5. Then G is becoming J. B is becoming X. And N is becoming S. So G, H, I, J. Then B is becoming X. Okay, there are a lot of letters between. The other way around. X is coming to B. Ulta. So X means W, X, Y, Z, A. So Y, Z, A. Then S is becoming N again. Or N is becoming S. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. उल्टा जा रहा है. Okay, I'm not understanding this. ठीक है, that's okay. Leave it. Get out. Don't waste your time. Pipe X. So now the moment I see pipe X, I'm happy because I like time and work. So let's see. X can fill a tank in 8 hours. Y can empty. So this is empty. I'll put a negative in 15 hours. Okay, so this is time actual. So time ratio will also be 8:15. Efficiency ratio will be 15:8. So work, total work is 8 into 15. So 80, 8 5s are 40, 120 units. So 120 units is my total work done. Pipe X is open for 2 hours. So 2 घंटे में X ने क्या किया? Efficiency is 15. So 15 into 2, this much work is done. Then उसके बाद Y is open for 1 hour. Which means for 2 hours, so first 2 hours, total efficiency is 2 into 15. Then for 1 hour, the efficiency becomes negative because Y empties the tank. So basically it takes out 8 into 1. So net effect is 3 घंटे में you will finish 22 liters. You will get 22 liters. So the net effect is in every 3 hours. So 3 hours you get 22 liters. Another 3 hours you get another 22. Another 3 hours you get another 22. So 3 hours you get 22 and another 3 hours you will get 22. How much is it total as of now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 hours. And total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 22 into 5, which is 110. Okay. Now, whose turn is it? Now don't take 3 hours. Kyun? Because this work is getting completed. See, 110 matlab you have only 10 units of work left. This 10 units is now, the time has started for the pipe X. And those घंटे काम की जरूरत नहीं है. In fact, in 1 hour it will do 15. In 1 hour it will do 15. You don't need 1 hour also. You need only 10 units. So how many hours do you need? 10 by 15, which is 2 by 3 hours. So you need 15 2 by 3 hours. Option D is my answer. 15 2 by 3 hours. Option D is my answer. Okay. 2 minutes, 8 minutes, that is the range. If you're fast, you'll finish it within a minute. Otherwise, you'll take up 1.5 minutes, but it is worth doing. Next, once again, picture immediately आया तो करूँगा वरना नहीं. So you can see right side bending, left side bending. No change, only bend हो रहा है. फिर right side bending, I'm increasing 1 line extra and 1 line extra. फिर left side जब bend हो रहा है, no change. So now I should increase 1 line and increase 1 line like this. So 4 and 3. 4 नहीं ये 4 है नहीं 4 vertical चाहिए मुझे. ये होगा आंसर D. 4 vertical and 3 horizontal. Well, this is a very easy one. Lucky 10-15 seconds, get out. Which option will come in the place of the question mark? So this is circle 2, 3. So पहले यहाँ पे 4 होने चाहिए. So all of them are 4, unfortunately. Next, small, big. Now small is inside, big is outside. Now big is inside, small is outside. So I should be looking at, and this is pointing 1 corner, 2nd corner, 3rd corner. It should be pointing towards the 4th corner. And the bigger one should be outside, smaller one should be inside like this. So I think it is option A. It will be option A. Okay, because this is anyway not true because the angle is wrong. But between A and C, I want the bigger one to come out and the smaller one to go in because alternately they are, if you notice, ये alternate हो रहे हैं. Because here bigger one is inside. Now bigger one is outside. Now bigger one is inside. So bigger one should be outside. Outside is this. So A मिलेगा यहाँ पे option. Then the next one, dates and calendars. Again, if you're good at it, do it. Otherwise, don't. The 5th day of a month. So 5th is Friday. Now you want some time 3 days before 4th Sunday. So first, let me find Sunday. So 7th will be a Sunday. This will be first Sunday. This will be the first Sunday because the first will be a Monday. Then only your 7th will be a Sunday. So I need 4th Sunday. First 4th Sunday ko pakado. 4th Sunday means I need 3 more Sundays. That is 21 days. So 28th will be a Sunday, and this will be the 4th Sunday. and I need 3 days before. 3 days matlab 28 minus 3, which is 25th. So the answer is option A. Once again, a question which can be done in 30-40 seconds. So guys, you have to pick such questions. There will be enough. 100 question hai. Enough questions will be of this nature. Pick them up. In a certain code, 275 means flowers are beautiful. 746 means baby is beautiful. So beautiful is 7 because beautiful is common. 598 means see the flowers. So now flowers should be 5 because यहाँ पे भी flowers हैं और 5 common है. So automatically R is 2. And R stands for R. Where is R? R stands for 2. We got that. See. This is coding decoding. If you know the logic, you'll be able to do this. Next, find the number pair from the given alternatives. Find the number pair. Kaun sa number pair? Odd number pair. Yeah. What is the meaning of this? So this is increasing, decreasing. Okay, I didn't even understand the question, to be very honest. Add the digits. What do I get if I add? I'll get 10, 9. 7, 8, 12, 19, 6, 7, 8, 9, 17. This 3, 4, 5, 6 and 4. 9, 10, 17, 9, 15. Acha, every time the difference is 2, yahan pe the difference is 1. I think that is the answer. I don't even know if it is correct, but some pattern I got. The sum of the digits is always differing by 2. But option A mein difference is only 1. If that helps, that is the answer. Fine. Choose the correct alternatives from the given ones that will complete the series. So W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y. Okay. So W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. So X, X, Y, Z. X, X, Y, X. Sorry. Option C. Basically, W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Option. Okay. 5 seconds question. Over. Determinant. Okay. Look at this. If you know how to calculate this, you can go ahead and do it. But look at the options, guys. First of all, you have 3 ways. Check it. Easiest is put x equal to 1 and see what happens. If x equal to 1, you will get 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1. Now, in determinant, one of the properties tells you that if any 2 rows or any 2 columns are same, then the determinant is 0. So C is correct. But don't mark C. There is an order of these also. So please check what happens. When you put x is greater than 1, let's say you're putting x equal to 2, or yeah, let's put x equal to 2. What happens? This is 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 1, 5, 1. This is 4 plus 1, 5, 4, 1. And 3, 3, 1. Find the determinant. You'll get 8 into 4 minus 3, 1. Minus 5 into 5 minus 3, 2. Plus 1 into 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. So this is 8 plus 3 minus 10, which is 1, which is positive. So when I put x equal to 2, I got the answer as positive. So A is also correct. A is also correct. Well, if A is correct and C is correct, the answer has to be D. Even if you don't know how to solve this, by substitution you'll get your answer. You should at least just know how to calculate a determinant. That's it. Itna lamba expansion karne ki zarurat nahi hai. But if you want to simplify it, it's not a big deal. You can simplify it by subtracting these two from one another. Then subtracting these two from one another, you'll get 2 zeros. Then you can expand it. That's fine. Let's move on. Among the following relations, find the relation that is not reflexive. Now, guys, reflexive means x should map to x always. X should map to x. So basically, the meaning is, if a equation is given, to find something is reflexive, replace y with x. Replace y with x, and you should get the equation which is meaningful. You should get an equation which is meaningful. For example, if you look at option A, if you replace y with x, you'll get x equal to x, which makes sense. X is equal to x. Okay. What about option B? Option B, if you replace, you'll get x is less than or equal to x. This is also technically true. Less than or equal to में equal to आता है, तो हो सकता है ये सही है. What about C? You'll get x square equal to x square. Anyway, this is correct. The problem comes in your D. You'll see x is less than x. This is not possible. How can x be less than itself? X cannot be less than itself. Right? Hence, D is the answer. So reflexive check करने के लिए replace y with x and observe what happens. Ideally, you should be getting an equation which is meaningful. X like x equal to x kind of an equation you should get. Otherwise, it is not meaningful, and that is the answer. Okay. Next is 2ax minus 2y plus 3z equal to 0, x plus ay plus 2z equal to 0, and 2x plus y nahi hai, so 0 into y plus az equal to 0. Non-trivial solution means determinant of this should be equal to 0. It's a non-trivial solution means the determinant should be equal to 0. So determinant of what? The coefficients. So 2a minus 2, 3. 1a, 2. 0a. Iska determinant should be equal to 0. Then you'll be having a non-trivial solution. So let's take a look at it. What is this? 2a into a square plus 2 into a minus 4 plus 3 into 0 minus 2a. This gives me 2a cube plus 2a minus 8 minus 3 to the 6a is equal to 0. So this gives me 2a cube minus 4a equal to 8 or minus 8 equal to 0. Or this gives me a cube minus 2a minus 4 equal to 0. Well, let me see what are the values of a. Let me, now it's a cubic, right? So isko mujhe factorize karna hai, but I will go with the options. What if a is 2? A is 2, I'll get 8 minus 4 equal to 0. Ho gaya. Yahi pe answer. So don't waste your time. So till here, you should know the maths, but after this, you don't have to factorize it. You check for the options, make your life easy, right? Next, okay, this is a infinite series. Infinite series, basically, if you're saying x equal to root of p cube, 6th root of p square, sorry, not p square, q square, root of p cube, 6th root of q square, and so on up to infinite. So I'll get x equal to root of p cube, 6th root of q square. Iske baad, from here, it is again x. It is again x. So that's the replacement you have to do. So now if you square it on both sides, you get x square equal to p cube, 6th root of, or I'll write it as q square x to the power of 1 by 6. Both sides, if I'm raising to the power of 6, I'll get x power 12 equal to p power 18 q square x. X will get cancelled 11 times. So x will be 11th root of p power 18 q square. P power 18 kahan pe hai? P power 18. Okay, this is the answer, D. So the logic here is, jahan se bhi pattern repeat ho raha hai, usko aap x banao and then solve for the value of x. Let's move on. Okay, modulus inequality. The funda is if I write mod a or mod x, if I write mod x is less than or equal to k, this will be written as minus k less than or equal to x less than or equal to k. This is the way in which you break your modulus. This is the basics of modulus. So 7 minus 3x, isko main likhunga in this manner. So I will multiply throughout with minus. So this becomes 2 greater than or equal to 3x minus 7 greater than or equal to minus 2. When I multiply the entire equation with minus 1, this is what happens. Then I will add throughout with 7. So this will become 9 greater than or equal to 3x greater than or equal to 7 minus 2 is 5. Then divide by 3. So 9 by 3 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 5 by 3. So my x is between 3, 5 by 3, both included. So 3, 5 by 3, but actually mujhe ulta likhna hoga 5 by 3, 3, because always the smaller number will be written first. So 5 by 3, 3 is option D. Right? अगर ये सब नहीं आता है, at least substitute करके देख लो. What happens if you substitute? Check करो. 3 should it be or not? 7 minus 9 mod less than or equal to 2. So 2 less than or equal to 2. सही है. So my answer should have 3 in it. A, B, C सीधा eliminate हो गए. Answer option D आ गया. अगर आपको मॉड्यूलस नहीं भी आता है, substitution करो, आंसर यहाँ पे झट से आ जाएगा. In fact, substitution is the best option here. Okay, it will take you 10 seconds to get the answer if you substitute. Next, look at this. X square minus 12x plus 33 equal to 0, and it is x minus 4 whole square plus 1 by x minus 4 whole square. Now guys, in this kind of a question, you should know how to solve this beforehand. I know this model. It's not that I've seen this question before. ये model मुझे पता है कि इस equation को manipulate करके मुझे x minus 4 लेके आना है कहीं ना कहीं. Let me see what is this x minus 4 whole square first of all. This is x square minus 8x plus 16. So can I write this in the form of what I want? I will write it as x square minus 8x plus 16. Then बचा क्या होगा? ये अगर मैं लिख लिया तो बच गया minus 4x minus plus 17. Correct? 16 plus 17 is 33. Correct? This is equal to 0. So this I can write it as x minus 4 the whole square minus, can I write it as 4x plus 16 plus 1 equal to 0. So now I will take it as x minus 4 the whole square minus 4 common, x minus 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Or I will write it as x minus 4 the whole square plus 1 equal to 4 into x minus 4. Now divide throughout by x minus 4. So x minus 4 plus 1 by x minus 4 equal to 4. Now I'm getting it in the form of what I want. Square it on both sides. What will I get? I'll get x minus 4 the whole square plus 1 by x minus 4 the whole square plus 2 is equal to 16. So what I want is 16 minus 2. Okay, so 16 minus 2 is 14. क्या थी? Nothing is left. How is 20x left? कहां से बचा है? नहीं बचा है ना? 12x है ये. So 12x को मैंने 8x और 4x में डिवाइड किया. So my answer is 14. In place of minus 4x. अच्छा, minus 4x. No, correct only, na? Yeah, I think there's no mistake in this. Okay, let's move on. So again, this question ideally, if you know the model, then do it. Otherwise, you should not do this. It's not an easy question. इसको manipulation काफी करना होता है इसमें. Not an ideal question to be done. Okay. This is again binomial theorem. If you want to find the coefficient of x power 7, TR plus one term will be equal to NCR, that is 10CR minus 2 by x square whole power इसका आपको होगा R और फिर x by 3 whole power 10 minus R. This is what you will have. Okay. Well, so your x power will be x power 10 minus R divided by x power 2R. This becomes x power 10 minus 3R. And you want this 10 minus 3R to be equal to 7. Okay, 10 minus 3R should be equal to 7. So 3 equal to 3R or R equal to 1. If R is equal to 1, you want the coefficient. The coefficient will be 10C1. And ये denominator में 3 है. So it is 1 by 3 to the power of 10 minus 1, which is 9, into minus 2 to the power of 1. So 10C1 is 10. So minus 20 by 3 power 9. Minus 20 by 3 power 9 is option B. Binomial theorem आपको ढंग से आता है तो टच करना है, वरना टच मत करो. You'll do a lot of mistakes. You'll waste your time. Right. Let's move on. X and Y are real numbers. Satisfy the conditions 2 less than x less than 3 and minus 8 less than y less than minus 7, which is the following expression will have the least value. Now x square y, if you notice, this is negative. It will definitely be negative. xy square will be positive. Positive means this cannot be your answer. Least value आपको चाहिए, so the least value will be the one which is negative compared to the positive. Now 5xy will also be negative. None of these options हो नहीं सकता because you have to select one of the three. Whichever is least you have to select. It cannot be that all of them are not the least. कुछ ना कुछ, if I give you 3 numbers, something has to be the least. So D does not make sense. So none of these यहाँ पे मतलब नहीं है इसका. So I have to decide between A and C कौन सा आंसर होगा मेरा. Now look at x square y and 5xy. Basically I will write it as x into y. I will write this as 5 into x into y. If you notice, these two are same. ये दोनों same है. So ultimately मुझे compare करना है एक x और एक 5 को. X is getting compared with 5. But this x, remember, is between 2 to 3. तो ये number जो है ये छोटा है, ये value बड़ा है. So magnitude wise, x square y will be less than 5xy. Magnitude. However, because y is negative, that is magnitude. If I am putting the magnitude. But if I am looking at without the magnitude, including the sign, जो number negative में बड़ा होगा वो actually छोटा होगा. Correct? It's like minus 3 is less than minus 1. The bigger magnitude is lesser in value. So the answer will be 5xy. Least value will be 5xy. Once again, a tricky question. Can end up making mistakes. But if you can use your basic common sense, I think this can be done. Logarithms. This question इतने बार देख चुका हूँ, मुझे पता है कि इसका आंसर ऑप्शन बी है बिना कुछ करे, but फिर भी आपको करना है. So the way to do this is 1 by this 1 should be written as log p base p plus log qr base p. So this will become 1 by log pqr base p, which will become log p base pqr. सबको ऐसे ही कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो each one will become, एक बनेगा आपका, ये बनेगा आपका log p, ये बनेगा आपका log q, ये बनेगा आपका log r. When you add them, you will get log pqr base pqr, which is 1. But again, this is a very, 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 very old question. In my life, I've done this so many times. That is where the experience and practice also comes in. आप practice जितना ज़्यादा करेंगे, इतना those many questions will be in your head. And some of them, at least, you don't have to answer directly. I mean, you don't have to solve. You can answer directly. Let's look at the next one. Find the number of real solutions. Well, you have 6 minus x by x square minus 4 is equal to 2x plus 4 plus x by x plus 2. Now remember, 6 minus x by x minus 2 and x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 4 by x plus 2. I can cancel out x plus 2 because x cannot be equal to minus 2. Please keep in mind. Why? Because if x is minus 2, anyway this is undefined. Agar ye undefined hai, to I cannot solve. So x cannot be equal to minus 2. That's why I'm able to cancel it. Now cross multiply, you'll get 6 minus x is equal to 3x plus 4 into x minus 2, or this gives you 3x square plus 4x minus 6x minus 8 equal to 6 minus x. Or this gives you 3x square, this is minus 5 minus x minus 8 equal to 0. 8 3s are, so I can write it as 3x square, 12, 6 4s are 24, okay, 9. X will be equal to 1 plus or minus root of b square. B square is 1 plus 4a, 4 into 3 into 8 by 2 into 3. So is this right? Minus b plus or minus. So this is 3x square minus x. So this is minus 5. So minus x and minus 8. So this is how much? 1 plus or minus root of 4 is 12. 12 8s are 18. 12 into 8. 80, 60, 96. 96 plus 1 is 97 by 6. There are two roots here, right? I think the answer should be 2 roots. Unless I made a mistake in calculation. Well, the whole idea is you'll find the roots here. If you get 2 roots, you'll mark it 2. Otherwise, you'll mark it only as 1. Let me just recheck once if I did the calculation correctly. Yeah, Krishna, negative numbers are real. Real numbers are negative, positive, 0, all included. So negative numbers can be a solution. That's not a problem. I'm just rechecking my calculation, guys. Once again, I'll just recheck. 6 minus x by x minus 2 into x plus 2 equal to 2x plus 4 plus x by x plus 2. This gets cancelled. So 6 minus x equal to x minus 2 into 3x plus 4. So 6 minus x equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 8. This gives me 3x square minus x, ये होगा minus 5x. So minus x. अच्छा ये 6 है. This is minus 2. Minus 2. Sorry, not minus 2. 8 minus 14. Minus 14 equal to 0. अच्छा ये गलत किया मैंने. Okay, so minus 14. So इसका 14 into 3. So 7 into 6. So I can write it as 3x square minus 7x plus 6x plus 14. Sorry, minus 14 equal to 0. We take x common, 3x minus 7 plus 3 plus 2 common, 3x minus 7. So x equal to 7 by 3 or x equal to minus 2. Now remember, my x cannot be equal to minus 2 because if x is equal to minus 2, my denominator becomes undefined. While I'm getting 2 roots, 2 minus 2 is not accepted. If minus 2 is not accepted, then only one root is there, which is 7 by 3. 7 by 3, I don't have a problem. So here you have to just be careful in solving it, otherwise you'll end up making a mistake. I don't think this is a question that you should be doing in the exam because this is also going to take a little bit of time unless you are very, very strong in algebra. Okay, time and distance, good. A person travels 1/4 of the total journey by bus. So let's say total journey is 4x. So x kilometers bus mein gaya. 2/5 by train. Acha, 1/4 or 2/5. So let me take a number properly. So let me take, I want 1/4 and 2/5. So let me take LCM of 4 and 5. It is 20. So let me take total distance as 20x. So 1/4 of that is 5x. This is my bus. Then I will take 2/5. 2/5 means 20x into 2 by 5, which is 8x. This is by train. So bacha kya hai? 8 plus 5 is 13. So 7x. This is remaining, he's saying. 7x is 14. So x is 2, which means my total distance is 40 kilometers. What is the ratio of the total distance and the distance covered by him via bus and cycle? Okay, this is cycle. So bus is 5x, so 10 and 14. 2 5s are, 2 7s are, 5 is 2. Okay. Bus and cycle, na? Cycle is 14. Bus is 5x, 5 2s are 10 and 14. What is the ratio of the total distance? Total distance. Okay, my mistake. Total distance is 20, 40x versus bus plus cycle. That is what he's saying. Okay, that is a mistake. 40 is to bus kitna hai? 5x plus cycle 7x. So 12x. 12x means 12 into 2, 24. So 4 10s are, 4 6s are, 2 5s are, 2 3s are, 5 is to 3. Option B. Very easy. Even if you are slow, you can end up finishing it in about a minute and a half. Next. Set theory, number of elements in A is to B, A into B. Okay, the formula is very simple. N of A into B is equal to N of A into N of B. This is the basic formula. So 15 is equal to 3 into K. So K is 5. The answer is option B. Very, very straightforward. 10 second answer aa jayega iska, if you know the formula. If the compound interest on a sum of for 2 years at 20% per annum is 6600. Now remember, first year's interest is I, Second year's compound interest will be I plus IR by 100. Okay, this is what happens. So compound interest ka funda, if you know it properly, you realize that compound interest ka first year interest is I. Second year will be I plus interest badega. Kitna badega? IR by 100. This is the basic of your compound interest. This total, so 2I plus IR by 100 is 6600. Isme rate of interest is 20% already. So 2I plus I into 20 by 100 is 6600. So 20 goes 5 times. So this is 5. 11I by 5 is 6600. So 11 goes 600 times. So I is 3000. So simple interest on it. So now in interest in the first year's interest is 3000. That's what we got. But we already know that simple interest or compound interest first year mein farak nahi padega. Dono same hi rahenge. So simple interest also will be 3000 at the same rate. But what is he saying? We want rate is half. Agar rate half हुआ तो आपका interest भी simple interest में half हो जाएगा. तो 1500 बचेगा आपका per year. But you want it for 2 years. So it will be again 3. कोई formula of compound interest use करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Your answer is option B. The only thing you need to understand is under compound interest, first year will be I. Second year interest value will be the same I plus IR by 100. The third year, if you want to calculate, will be iska. So take this. So how did I get this? This is I into 1 plus R by 100. That's how we do it. Which means if I take this Y2 into 1 plus R by 100, this will become my third year interest. This will be I into 1 plus R by 100 whole square. So this is how my interest will keep increasing every year. Okay, that's the logic for compound interest. Next question. How many ways a team of 11 can be selected of 6 bowlers, 9 batsmen, such that the team contains at least 4 bowlers? So a team of 11, at least 4 bowlers if you need. Total minus, take out the cases where there are no bowlers, so 0 bowlers. Minus, take out the cases where there is only 1 bowler, only 2 bowlers, and only 3 bowlers. If you do this, you'll get your answer. Total number of ways of selecting 11 people out of totally how many you have? 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. Is 15C11. Minus 0 bowlers means I have to select all batsmen, but I can't select 9 batsmen. Because I can't select 11 batsmen because I have only 9 batsmen. Can I select 1 bowler? अगर मुझे 1 bowler लेना है तो मतलब बाकी 10 batsmen होने चाहिए. ये भी नहीं हो सकता है because मेरे पास 9 I have only 9 batsmen. Now 2 bowlers. 2 bowlers if I'm selecting, it means the other 9 batsmen have to be selected for sure. So 2 bowlers can be done in 6C2 and all batsmen can be selected in one way. 9 plus 2 is 11. Or 3 bowlers can be selected in 6C3 ways. अगर 3 लोग already आ चुके हैं, now I need only 8 batsmen, so 9C8. This is my answer. So 15C11 means 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 by 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2. Minus 6C2, 6 into 5 minus 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 9C8 is 9C1, which is 9. Now 4, 3, 3 to the 6, 6 goes 2 times, 2 goes 2 times, 2 goes 7 times. So 15 into 7 into 13 minus, this is 6 5 is 30 by 2, 30 by 2 is 15 minus 3 2 is 6, 5 4 is 20, 20 into 9, 180. So, kitna ho gaya hai? 15 into 7 into 13 minus 195. Now don't waste your time multiplying this. 7 5 is 35, 5 into 3, 15. So this will end with a 5. Okay, this will end with a 5. Minus 195, so this should be ending with a 5, so our answer should be ending with a 0. But there are 2 options ending with a 0. To be sure, I think you have to multiply this. So 15 into 7, 15 into 7 will be 70, 7 5 is 35. So 105 into 13. So this will be 1000 ke upar. 1000 ke upar minus 195, the answer should be in the range of D. Anything about 1000 minus 195, you will not get 330 as an answer. So the answer should be 1100. So the whole idea here is how do you get these values? Okay. Again, if you are good in PNC, you'll do this. Even then, it is a bit lengthy question. Addition, ADDITION. All i's are to be together. Now the formula for that is n plus 1 whole factorial by the x factorial. What is this n? N is the number of terms after deleting the i's. So number of terms after deleting the i's are ADDTON. Kitne ho gaye? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 1, 7 factorial. By x is how many things you deleted. That is, they are supposed to be together. So that is 2 factorial. However, so this, sorry, this is my mistake. The formula I wrote wrong. The formula is ADDITION. The formula is n plus 1 whole factorial into x factorial. So what is this? N is the number of, so if you want i's to be together, you first delete the i's. Whichever terms you want to be together, delete them. Count the remaining. The remaining are 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7 factorial. But the 7 factorial may 2 d's are repeating. Normally this formula is given when there are no repetitions. But if d is repeating, you will divide it by 2 factorial. And what is this x? X talks about the terms which are deleted. How many terms you delete? You deleted 2 i's. So 2 factorial divided by, now again the 2 i's are repeating. Normally this x factorial is not supposed to have anything common, but i's are common, 2 i's are common, so divide by 2. So आपका answer हो गया 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. This is your answer. So 6 7s are 42 into 3 into 20. So it is 42 into 60. So 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 25, 2520. Option C. So remember this formula, guys. If I say, for example, Batman, or not Bat, let me say, let me give you a word which is okay. Are you Rupal? Are you PAL? Okay, this is my apartment's name, let's say. Now, in this, if I want always A and L to be together, my answer will be without A and L. If I take this out, basically it is 3, so my n is 3. So my formula is n plus 1 factorial into x factorial. So n is 3, 3 plus 1, 4 factorial into what is x? X is the 2 words which I deleted, AL, 2 factorial. So my answer will be 24 into 2, 48. Always these 48 words, A and L will be together. Okay, so that's the formula. Please keep in mind. Last, I think it's 10:42. We will solve 2 or 3 more questions and stop. Find the maximum value. Okay, if you know how to find differentiation, you can do this. Otherwise, you don't. You can't do this. It's a difficult question. You basically, those of you who are interested in differentiation, you will start with, let's say, x equal to or z equal to 1 by y whole power y. Then you will take log z equal to y log 1 by y. Now you start differentiating, and you can, when you differentiate, you will equate it to 0. dy by dx should be equal to 0. When you equate this to 0, you will get a value for y. Here it is not dy by dx. You do dz by dy. dz by dy should be equal to 0. Okay, normally you get y equal to f of x, and then you do dy by dx. Here you have z equal to f of y, so you will do dz by dy. This should be equal to 0. When you do this, you will get some answer, but that's the process. It's lengthy, ideally not meant to be done in the exam. A fair coin is tossed 5 times. Probability good. The probability of getting a result in the 5th toss different from those obtained in the first 4 tosses. So I can get 4 heads, 1 tail, and I can get 4 tails, 1 head. These are the 2 possibilities. I want the last one to be different from the first 4. This probability is 1 by 2 whole power 5. This probability is 1 by 2 whole power 5. Because each head is 1 by 2 probability. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. And then tail also is 1 by 2. So I have to add these 2. So 1 by 2 power 5 into 2, which is 1 by 2 power 4. 1 by 2 power 4 is 16. Option D. A very easy question if you like probability. Let's solve. Okay, what is this? You have a quadratic equation. Let's take a look at it. X square minus px plus q equal to 0. And you have the other equation, x square minus ax plus b equal to 0. They have a common root. Let the common root be alpha. Okay. And the roots of the second equation are equal. So let's say the roots here are alpha and beta. The roots here are alpha and alpha only. So sum of the roots is 2 alpha is a. So alpha is a by 2. And product of the roots is alpha square, which is b. Now if alpha is a root here, then alpha square minus p alpha plus q should be equal to 0. But alpha square is b minus p into what is alpha? Alpha is a by 2 plus q equal to 0. This gives me p plus q equal to pa by 2 or ap equal to 2 times b plus q. ap is 2 times b plus q. It's not a difficult question, but again, if you don't have clarity on quadratic equations, please don't even bother with this kind of question. You will waste a lot of time if you're not clear on this topic. Let's do last 3 questions and then we'll stop. It's been a heavy day, I understand. Population of a town is decreasing. I need again approximate population. Whenever I see this approximate population, guys, and look at the answers, they're very, very close. 1.81, 1.85, 1.75, even a little bit here and there, I will end up getting the wrong answer. Already they're asking me to approximate, and if I'm not good at approximation, which I know about myself, I'm not that great in approximating. It's a simple question, I understand, but the whole funda of this question is how do you approximate correctly? Or if I know I'm weak at that, I should not do this. Okay, let's move on to the next one. F of dash g dash of x, dekhte hi mera mood off ho gaya, chhod ke nikal jao. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you're good in differentiation, if you're good in functions, If you like it, you can do it. Otherwise, you can leave. Let's look at parabolas. Okay, let's look at what is this. Parabolas, y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x will be, okay, let me draw the figure a little bit correctly. Y square equal to 4x means y is plus or minus, my x is always positive. So this is the equation of y equal to 4x. And I have x square equal to 4y, which is my standard equation, like this. Now, where will they meet? Okay, fine. Where will they meet somewhere? Divide the square region bounded by the lines x equal to 4 and y equal to 4. Okay, x equal to 4. So when x equal to 4, y is also 4. Okay, so this means this is the point exactly. This is the square which they're talking about. So this is they're saying S1, S2, and S3. What is the ratio? Now, guaranteed by symmetry, S1 and S3 should be same. Guaranteed S1 S3 should be same because it is symmetrical. So option A to ho nahi sakta hai. Now, can it be B, C, or D? One of the three options. इसके बाद आपको कुछ करने का है तो करो, वरना you can leave the question. There's no point doing it because guess भी नहीं मार सकते हो यहाँ पे. There are three options. But if you want to do it, the best way to do this is find the area under the graph. How do you find the area under the graph? Your S3 is integration of your curve. What curve is this? Your curve here is x square equal to 4y or y equal to x square by 4. So integration of x varying from 0 to 4, x square by 4. So this becomes x cube by 3 into 4, limits 0 to 4. So this is x cube by 12 minus, so that is x cube by 12, 0 to 4, which is 4 cube by 12 minus 0 by 12. So this is 16 by 3. So S3 is 16 by 3. So S1 will also be 16 by 3. So S2 का क्या हुआ? Total area is 16. 4 4 is 16. Correct? The square area is 4 4 is 16. So ये 16 by 3 है, ये भी 16 by 3 है. So automatically बीच वाला भी 16 by 3 होगा because 16 divided by 3 parts. That's what is happening here. So the ratio should be 1:1:1. But again, a question to be left if you do not get the idea in the first few seconds. Even if you get the idea, if you do not know integration, you are supposed to leave it. Otherwise, it's a difficult question to solve. It's quite a difficult question to do. Okay, moving on. Last two questions. The probability of m hitting a target. So probability of m is 1 by 8. Probability of n is 2 by 5. Then the probability that either m or n hits the target, which means 1 minus none. So p dash of m and p dash of n. Either one should hit means I will take 1 minus none are hitting. So 1 minus 7 by 8 into 3 by 5. So it is 40 minus 21 by 40, which is 19 by 40. 19 by 40, option A. Probability usually is not very difficult. They make it easy. Last question. Last question. The speed of a train is 50% more than a car. So it is, let's say car is 2x. So train will be 3x, 50% more. Both start simultaneously from point P and reach point Q at the same time, which is 45 kilometers away from P. 45 kilometers is the distance. If the train lost about 12 minutes while stopping the station, then find the speed of the car. Both start and reach point Q at the same time. So remember, time taken by car is distance by speed, right? Time taken by train is distance by speed. Now remember, the car is not stopping anywhere, but the train is stopping, so it will take extra 12 minutes. Okay, so if I take 45 by 2x, this should be equal to 45 by 3x plus 12. Now 12 by 60 because I have to convert everything in terms of hours. So I will get 12 goes 5 times, so 1 by 5 equal to 45 by 2x minus 45 by 3x. This gives me 1 by 5 equal to 45 by x. I'll take out common. I'll get 1 by 6. So my x will be 45 into 5 by 6. Find the speed of the car. Speed of the car is 2x. I need 2 times of this. So 2x will be 45 into 5 by 6 into 2. So 2 goes 3 times, 3 goes 15 times, 15 5s are 75 kilometers per hour. My answer is option D. Right, so with this, guys, we will come to the end of the session. There are a lot more questions. I think the remaining questions, we already did a lot of questions here. Mostly we will be starting with logic, GK. I think some more questions are there, few more questions are there. After that, I think, yeah, the GK is starting and then English will continue. So the idea here, the learning here is not for me to give you the solutions. The solutions are already there. My commentary is all about which questions to pick, why you're picking, and most importantly, when to leave. That is the most important learning from this. Fine guys, thank you and have a good night.